Welcome to section 4.9 of our prescription form, and here we've got just the standard anatomical fit that you want to your device. Total contact insole is another name for it, so that's where we get to indicate whether we want the anatomical shape to run the entire length of the foot including the toes, okay, TCI full foot. Some people like it, the total contact, to go just to the mets, and after then it's the remaining thickness of either the top cover material or the remaining device, typically EVA, or another where you can indicate, again a very handy tool with the 3D design that we have, a global smoothing factor where you can wind up or wind down the actual lumps and bumps in the shape of the device. Again, a 0 degree or 0% smoothing factor is a total TCI into there, but again you'll need to indicate whether it's to the full foot or to the meth, and this is just another control variation that you have with the percentage of total contact that you want, right, depending on the device and the materials that you are using. So that's anatomical fit.